Does your business need a wrapper or a hoodder? First of all, it must be made clear that whatever machine you choose, it will be a pallet, meaning the best mechatronics can provide for your business. Then, bear in mind that these machines must be chosen to suit your business's needs. They are not alternatives, they are options for improving your business. This should be borne in mind always. Now let's look at the differences between wrapping and hooding. Why use hooding? Production capacity is over 70 pallets an hour. Long operating autonomy. The machine can use large diameter reels. Heavy duty. It waterproofs the pallet and gives it total protection. Pallets are completely finished. The hood can be decorated with your logo and completely washed if necessary after lengthy storage in a dusty location or outdoors. No algae form on the outer surface even in case of rain or when the bags contain fertilizer. So now we've seen the reasons for using hooding in your business. Now let's look at the advantages of wrapping. The investment is lower. Maintenance is easy. With turntable wrappers, less floor space is required. The quantities of film applied can be increased or reduced depending on the load stability requirements, meaning that the cost of the film applied to each pallet can be controlled. In other words, the operator can adjust the number of turns at the base of the pallet, the number of turns at the top of the pallet, and the film overlap percentage exactly as required. So the plus factors of wrapping are now clear. Now let's see how much film is required for wrapping and how much for hooding. For wrapping, the quantity of film to be used depends on the number of turns at the base of the pallet, on the number of turns at the top of the pallet, on the overlap percentage, on the film quality, whether it is pre-stretched by the supplier or unstretched, on the quality of the material used for the film. The higher the quality, the less film will be used. On the purpose. For example, do you only need to secure the bags or containers to stop them falling off? Do they have to be protected from water and dust? Do they have to be held in place for transportation with a lot of jolting? Is an anti-slip adhesive used, or is a combination of these conditions required? And for hooding, what does the quantity of film to be used depend on? On the film's elasticity percentage, meaning how elastic it is. On the quality of the film. The higher the quality, the less film will be used. On the purpose. For example, do you only need to secure the bags or containers to stop them falling off? Do they have to be protected from water and dust? Do they have to be held in place for transportation with a lot of jolting? Is an anti-slip adhesive used? Or is a combination of these conditions required? Now what we need to know is, how much does the film cost? One thing is certain, the price of the film does not depend on wrapping or hooding. It depends on other factors, such as, for example, quality, origin, supplier, importation, transport costs. So let's sum up. A wrapper or a hoodder? A wrapper costs less. A hoodder has 3 times more operating autonomy. A wrapper is easier to use and maintain. A hoodder prepares 70 pallets an hour. A wrapper prepares 40. A hoodder produces pallets which can be customized with the logo and can be washed. Given all the above, remember that the choice lies with your business. It is your duty to give your business the best. Give it pallet, mechatronics at its best.